Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix sponsor request limit reached on Cashapp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Wait for the limit to reset. The Cashapp sponsor request limit typically resets after a certain period. You'll need to wait until it resets before sending additional sponsorship requests. Review Cashapp policies. Check Cashapp's terms of service and community guidelines to ensure you're using the sponsorship feature responsibly and not violating any rules. Contact support. If you believe there's been a mistake or you're facing an issue, contact Cashapp support. They can provide details about the sponsor request limit and assist with any problems. Engage in other activities. While waiting for the limit to reset, explore other ways to interact on Cashapp. This includes sending or requesting money and using the app's messaging feature. Avoid triggering the limit. If you frequently hit the sponsor request limit, review how you use the feature. Ensure you're not inadvertently spamming or violating Cashapp's policies. Adjust your behavior to comply with guidelines and prevent future limits. So that's basically how to fix sponsor request limit reached on Cashapp. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.